Hello everyone. So in today's video we're going to learn how to convert to host to create a website on our local machine, and we're also going to know how to host this website on a live server, so using a hosting plan. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to get XAMPP. So let's go ahead and get XAMPP. Clean these up. So let's get XAMPP. Okay, so here we have XAMPP installers and downloads for Apache Friends. So let's go ahead and click the downloads, and we should be faced with the XAMPP for Windows, which my device is a Windows device, so I'm going to download this one. So because I've downloaded this, I wouldn't have to do it again, but I would present it to you guys. So let me just go ahead and download this. Now it's downloading. So another thing I would need is WordPress. So let's go ahead and get WordPress. Okay, so this is WordPress. So now no, what I need is wordpress.org. Okay, not .com, just .org. Okay, so now I want to get WordPress. Let's get WordPress. So at the same time, it should be downloading here. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're also faced with we should scroll down and then get the download link, which is here. So click on here, and once you have a hooray, then you know that you are good to go. So let's go ahead and close this. And while it is downloading, let us talk about some of the themes which are available for WordPress. So let's go ahead and choose and just search for WordPress themes. Okay, so WordPress themes, let's go over to wordpress.com and look at some of the available themes. So these are very nice themes, guys. These are very nice themes. I'm just looking for the best one to use for this video. Let's say that I need the free ones. Free ones. So the free ones are usually very okay for a beginner. So let's go ahead and take this one. Let's go ahead and take this one. Okay, so do I have to download these? There are these things available for download to be used on WordPress self-hosted installation. So let's go ahead and download this theme. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay, so while our other downloads are still ongoing, so I realized that the XAMPP is 160 megabytes, but because I have it already, I've downloaded it some time ago, and I've also installed it. So I'm just going to cancel this and use my previous installation. Okay, so the WordPress should be available now. So let me go ahead and see if the WordPress is ready now. Okay, so it's ready. So I'm just gonna copy this. Sorry guys, I'm doing this on a different screen. Where do I post these? I'll just go in here to post this. Okay, yeah, so let me use this one. Okay, so this is a good download. Also, I think I also need to get the other ones. Let me get the other one. It's Winkle. Control X. Let me put it here. Sorry guys. So I will be switching from screen to screen so that I'll protect some of my information. Okay, so now I have the WordPress and XAMPP and the Winkle. So all I have to do now is to install the XAMPP. So the XAMPP installation is should be very quick, because all I have to do is to just click next, and it's fully installed. So I think my system is also quite slow, so I wouldn't have to edit this video, so I'm just gonna post it afterwards, because we'll be doing more videos. So I have it here on the second screen. So XAMPP on the second screen. Okay, so it's been wanted to install. So let me take it to the other screen. So welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. So let's go ahead and click next. And when we come here, we'll see the different things which are on the server, the Apache and MySQL. So typically you would want to switch off some of these things, but for now, let's just go ahead and click next. And XAMPP, select this folder is not empty, please select a different folder. So because I have installed this initially, so I just did this so that you see how the installation should go. So because I've installed it, I can't install it again, so but you go ahead and install it and see what you can and afterwards we can use it. Okay, so I'm canceling these. Now let's go ahead and extract the WordPress. So you can extract all right, and then you'll be faced with the WordPress. So you choose your extraction folder, but because I've extracted it here, I don't have to extract it again. So all I have to do is to click in here. Oh, okay, so I think I used the last extraction, so I'm just going to delete this one, and I'll just extract all here and keep it right where it is. So I'm just gonna keep it right here. So the extraction is also gonna take a while. So while it is extracting, let's go ahead and also get some Epson text. So let's do some Epson lorem, and yeah, let's go ahead and get some Epson lorem, and now we can go ahead and get the notepad. What's the notepad? Okay, notepad or notepad plus plus. I love to do notepad. Although notepad plus plus is also a cool one. So here I can generate 5 paragraphs. So we start with lorem epson. So let's generate these, and we should be able to get some lorem epson text. So let's copy it and let's also paste it on our notepad. so this is not so good looking text. So here, what else are we waiting for? Okay, we're done with that. So let's see if our extraction is done. So we're still on 17%. Okay, so it will take what, 17 minutes? Wow, that's a lot. That's a long time. Okay, so now because we have installed the XAMPP, I'm just gonna open the just gonna open my PC. So let's go to my PC, this PC, and let's go ahead, choose local disk, and let's go ahead and choose XAMPP. All right, so in this folder, this is to show you that XAMPP has been fully installed. So in this folder, we'll be working on htdocs. Okay, so in htdocs, we'll need to add a folder. So this is my previous project, guys, so this wouldn't be part of your new installation. Okay, so now I'll just delete this. Okay, it's almost deleting. Oh, it's gonna take a while. So now while we wait for the extraction to complete, so you see that we have these three fully installed files on the htdocs. So let's go ahead and create a new folder. All right, so in this folder we want to call it the same name with our WordPress theme. So let's say it's what, Winkle. Okay, my all caps is on, so let's call it what, Winkle. Okay, whatever that means, Winkle. Okay, so now we have our Winkle here. Now what we need is to take the content of our WordPress extracted file, to take the content to our Winkle folder. Okay, so while we're waiting for the extraction to complete, let's go ahead and look at some other things. So let's get some pictures. So let's go ahead and check on sorry guys, this wouldn't be here. Okay, so let's go ahead and search for Pexels. So Pexels is a platform where it's a website where you can get free pictures and videos. Okay, so in Pexels you can get any type of picture that you want. So our website or our Winkle theme is more of what is Winkle is a minimal product focused theme featuring payments blog. It's clean, cool look combined with a simple layout makes it perfect for showcasing fashion items. So we should be dealing with what, clothes, shoes, and accessories. Okay, so let's go ahead and get clothes, shoes, and accessories on Pexels. So let's get some clothes. After that, yeah, so we can get some clothes. Why? Oh, Okay, so we have these clothes. Which would be better? So we have this one. No, no, guys, this is not so cool. Yeah, okay, so we can use this one. We can use this one and see how it goes. Okay, so let's click on free download so that we can download. So show some love to David Battles by giving them a small donation. So you can donate if you want to donate. I encourage you guys to donate, and I would also donate. All right, so go ahead and what else? Which other picture can we use? So we can use this one. No. Okay, so we have ties. I think I should just click on download, and the shoes. I also click on downloads. So it's quite cold here, so it's affecting my throat. Okay, so all right, this is also a cool picture. So also this is a cool jean collection. Let's see. Okay, jean collection. All right, so let's see what else. Yeah, so I believe our extraction is fully complete. Yes, so now this is our extracted file. So let's go ahead and take these contents and copy them to our WP htdocs. Okay, so let's go ahead and select all and copy, and let's also take it to the htdocs htdoc window. All right, so let's don't forget that we're on a local machine, local disk, C, htdocs, and Winkle. Alright, so let's go ahead and paste this here. Okay, so this is gonna take a while to not too much time, so it's okay to paste it there. And then now while we wait for it to complete, 13%, 14%, let's keep on going for our pictures. So Pexis is a nice picture collection. Another website I love to use is also Pixabay. Pixabay. So these are stock photos which you can use for your that you can use for your website, as the case may be. Here also you can search for what? Shoes. Holy shoes. Okay, so now with your shoes you can choose this one. So free high resolution, so you can choose this one. Let's go ahead and choose this one and see. Okay, I want to download it for the 120 by this. So download. Okay, as registered user, no capture is required. Not is presented to you. To download. So say thanks to the image author. Crediting isn't required, but linking back is greatly appreciated and allows image authors to gain exposure. Okay, so yeah, you can use the following text: image by open clad. So let's copy this for image references. Okay, so you can see that our things are fully copied. So let's go ahead here. Let me reduce this, and here I want to paste this because that is the image reference. Okay, so also check back on Pexels, guys. Pexels just wanted us to reference the various authors of the images. So this one, I love these shoes. This very nice shoes. This is very nice shoe for. I wish I can buy this for my lady. Alright, so it's the user to capture. So you can download this also. Creating image by pixels from Pixabay. Okay, so let's copy this and also go ahead and keep this here. Let's go here. Okay, so let's keep this here. And okay, so what else are we gonna need? We've got most of what we want to use. Okay, so let's go back on our Winkle. Now everything is fully copied here. All right, so now let's go ahead and start up our XAMPP server. So I'm just gonna switch off my internet connection, and so I can run my server, my local server with XAMPP. All right, so let's go ahead and search for XAMPP. So search for XAMPP. XAMPP. Alright, so let's click on it. So my system is kind of slow today. Okay, so I have it on my second screen, so let me bring it back here. So this is the XAMPP control panel. So let's go ahead and switch on these models, the Apache model and the MySQL model. So to do that, let's go over to this and click on start, and also this one to click on start. All right, so it is starting. All right, so since it has started and we don't have an internet connection on, I don't like to use this with my internet connection, so I love to switch the internet connection off. And so let's go to one of our windows and let's search, let's say localhost. Alright, so this shows that our server is live, is local now, has started. Alright, so now let's go to phpMyAdmin and also create a database for our website. So our website is going to encompass a database. It needs a database to work, so let's create that on our phpMyAdmin. So now this is phpMyAdmin user interface. So let's go ahead and look at databases. and let's create a new database and let's call it what? Winkle. So Winkle, let's create database, and now our Winkle database is created. So how do we make sure that we can connect this database to? So let's go ahead to another window, and let's say localhost / Winkle. Okay, so in this it says welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items: database name, username, password, host. So click on let's go and go ahead and fill database name to be what? Winkle, because that was the name of our database. Then the username should be the default username for WordPress. So for the password, we're going to leave it closed. Then the database host, we leave it at localhost. Then table prefix WP. So now let's submit, and hooray! All right, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. So now let's run the installation. So now we have to create a site title. So let's say this is our Winkle site, and let's say our username is what? Admin. Okay, I have admin already. So password, let's also use admin because it's weak. So we're just going to, and we are on our local server, so we don't need a strong password. So let's confirm password. And for our email, let's go ahead and see email at gmail.com. All right, so we won't set our search engine visibility, so let's go click on install WordPress, and we should hopefully get our WordPress dashboard. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's a success. So let's go ahead and log in. So now we should put in our login as admin, then our password is also admin. Okay, so go ahead and click on login, and voila, this is our WordPress website. So we're currently hosting these on our local machine, so we wouldn't have much functionalities because this is not on. Oh well, we can do virtually everything you can do on a live hosting, on a paid hosting in our local host. Okay, so now I would want to close the other tabs. So close other tabs. So here I have the dashboard for WordPress. So you see how it goes: localhost, Winkle, WordPress, admin. Okay, so it means that when we take this link, if we copy and also go here and paste it, we would also get the same dashboard. But then when we take out the WP admin and also hit this, then we'll get our website basic look. Okay, so another way to get to this basic look is just go here and say visit site. Okay, so just click on visit site. So because it takes you to, but to go back, you just go on the dashboard, and you can you will also go back to your dashboard. So now our website is using a particular theme, so let's go ahead and see the appearance, the themes. So to change the theme, we have our downloaded theme. Let me see. Our downloaded theme is quite here. Yeah, Winkle WordPress.com. Okay, so now we need to upload our theme to the website. So let's go to appearance and themes. Let's click on themes, and now we can, you see, this is the 2022 theme, which is the default theme. So you can customize this theme. Doesn't look that bad. It's probably a good theme, right? So it's probably a good theme for a beginner, and you can work with that. So here we need to upload our other theme. So we will say add a new theme. Okay, so an unexpected error occurred. Something may be wrong with WordPress org or this server configuration. So because my internet access is restricted now, so let's go ahead. If I had an internet connection, you'd have a list of a lot of themes here. So because I shut it down, so let's go ahead and upload a theme. So it says choose file. So because I have the file already, let me go over here and take this Winkle, and then I'll take it, drag it to the Chrome, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so you see it appears to be Winkle WordPress.com zip. So now I'll say what? Install now. All right, so it's saying installing theme from uploaded file Winkle WordPress.com, unpacking the package. Okay, so theme installed successfully. All right, so now my theme has been installed successfully. Now don't forget that this was the old theme. All right, this was the default theme. So now for us to change the theme, let's go ahead and we've been able to upload the theme. So now let's go to the themes again and choose our uploaded theme. Current themes are installed but incomplete. So Winkle, the parent theme, is missing. Please install the block bees parent theme. Okay, so this will warrant me to switch on my internet connection. So let me switch it on, and voila, it should be on now. Okay, now let me refresh this. You would see that I would have more themes. So let me add new theme, and you would see that I have more options now. So what are we looking for? The name of our theme was what? Winkle. So let's go ahead and search for themes. Let's say Winkle. All right. So, oh, Winkle is not available. So why is it not available? Well, let's go with the most popular themes. So okay, so this is going to be easy to choose the website. Cadence. Oh, Cadence is also a good one. Logo. Cadence is also a good one. Let's also try other ones. because we want to sell something, so let's go ahead and use this one. Hash. Let me see. Okay. This is typically not a trading or an e-commerce type of theme. So we're looking for something which is more appealing to e-commerce, maybe customers, or yeah, I think this would do. Yeah, this would do, guys. This would do. So this is a headline that grabs people's attention. Okay, so now this is a good one. So let's install this one. So since we installed this one, it's installing, and after installation we're going to activate the theme. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be very heavy, so let's activate the theme. So it's going to be activated, and that will be a good one. All right, start site, theme dashboard. Welcome to Bottega. Bottega is now installed and ready to use. So click startup button. We install and activate the demo, import the plugin. So let's click on starter site. So hopefully we're going to get the demo importer plugin. All right, so this is great. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I think this one will be fine. Free. This is free. Okay, so import import. So it says please be patient and don't refresh this page. Refresh this page. The import process may take a while. This also depends on your server. Okay, so my server should be quite slow today. I hope that it installs and gives us what we want. So it's saying installing and activating WP forms. Oh well, installing and activating WooCommerce. Oh, okay. So these are the plugins which we need for the theme to have its highest functionality. So it's a very great theme, since it has predefined plugins which gives it a great look and functionality. So let's check it. Let's look at what the Bottega theme looks like. Bottega themes, themes, free WordPress WooCommerce theme. So this Bottega theme is as good as an e-commerce theme. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. This is very cool. Let's see, design the online store we've always wanted. So this is more of an online store kind of theme. So let's see, it's a lot more. It looks good. Looks very good for an e-commerce website theme. So check out the styles. Wow, this is cool. It's very cool. So let's see if it's fully installed now. Okay, still installing and activating WooCommerce. Wow, it's gonna take a while. It's So we're gonna take a while. 14%. Okay, so let's go over to Botiga and review the theme. So I love to do this because it gives you a clearer view of what your site should look like when it's finished. So sorry. So now let's state your product name with core value proposition. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Very, very cool. So if you like this theme, guys, I think you should check out this WooCommerce theme. It's just $69 per year. I think this is a good amount for a theme. So everything in free plus premium starter sites, priority support, wish list, product swatch, shop header style, product tab style, sticky add to cart, multi. So this it's a lot more price. It's a lot more functionality for your money. So if you really want these, guys, it's a good. I can tell it's a good thing. So go ahead and get one of it, and it's worth the price of $69. So it's $69 pricing for, yeah, it's worth it. So let's see. So installing and activating a theme, blocks. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's a nice one. So it's a good way of starting an e-commerce website. Okay, so this takes a long time to import, so it's installing. Please be patient and don't refresh these. So it's importing content. So after the importation, it goes to the installation, right? So it's importing, then after which it goes to installation. So I wouldn't have any option then to edit this video though, because I feel like there's a waste of time showing you guys or keeping you guys on this installation window. So it's not worth it. I'm just gonna skip these or take out this part, and you guys are gonna be fine. So yeah, so the Botiga theme is also a nice theme. So please, new free WooCommerce theme introducing Botiga. It's a good one. Sydney Botiga. Oh, so it's one company that has two teams. So let's check out their Sydney team. Sydney team seems to be much more professional website your way, officially recommended by Elementor. So it's you can download free. Wow, that's a good one. So create your professional website your way, officially recommended. Okay, so let's see the pricing also. I think the pricing would be the same with $69 per year. So I'm going to leave the link to this site so that you can buy the pro versions of that. Alright, let's see how far this has gone. Still on the 43%. Wow, this it's gonna take a while. Oh, 57% now. That's cool. So the Botiga theme is also a good one. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you have affiliate programs, 18's affiliate programs, so that you guys can support me in this manner. Let's see, 18's affiliate programs. e-teams affiliate programs. Okay, so let's affiliate marketing per WordPress teams affiliates. Okay, affiliates, yeah. So I think I should just sign up for these, and so you guys can join our affiliate program. And for every sale you generate, you can earn up to 50% commission. Okay, so guys, please support me with these. Okay, so this is a good one. So let's see how far. Okay, so our imported successfully. Go ahead, customize the text, images, and design to make it yours. So let's return to dashboard. Okay, so don't forget that our previous theme looks like this. Okay, so which is the 2022 WordPress theme. So but now if we refresh, we're going to have the Bottega theme. Wow, that's some nice ones. Okay, this is, yeah, so this is probably one of the best e-commerce themes I've seen. So you can get these done, and this is going to be a good site for an e-commerce website. Now I'm beginning to think of very nice business ideas for this website. So yeah, a line that grabs people's attention. Okay, so this is a very good website, guys. This is a very good theme. So if you are thinking of starting your own e-commerce website just to sell some things online, this theme is also a good one. So don't hesitate to go and get it. So let's click on add to cart and see what happens. So our etiquette functionality seems to be working. Is it working? Yeah. So we have one of our items added. Okay. So now all we have to do is to go ahead and change the various components of these theme. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it has a place for products. So let's see all products and see what we can do here. All right, okay, so yeah, so this is a good thing, guys. You can look at what the different things are. These are the products. Okay, so the products that are displayed here. So we have different products that are displayed here, and if you click on treatments, let's see if treatments are what they're. Okay, wow, this is cool. So now for under cosmetics, this is the product category cosmetics. All right, so under cosmetics, you can find that in categories, and you can go ahead and customize the product to your taste. Okay, so under cosmetics you can have let's see, add new category. So yeah, so you have different categories. Okay, think that would be done. Adding products will be done here. Okay, so you have cosmetics, right? So your categories. So if you want to add a new product, you can add new product here, and there you can decide to add let's say you want to sell shoes. If you want to sell shoes, let's see some shoes which are what shoe for men, come on. I can't type today, guys. Okay, so let's just say what these are the shoes for men that gives a man a confidence in the chosen apparel. Okay, so this is a good one. So now we have to choose product data, simple product. So we have to choose which so simple product. So it says group product, external affiliate product, variable product. So it's simple product. Okay, so now here it's general. Regular price is what? Let's say it's $120. Sale price is $100, and now you can go to inventory, then you say what? SKU. What is this? SKU refers to a stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each distinct product and service that can be purchased. So let's say is SKU 135. So manage stock, enable stock management at product price as product level. Okay, so stock quantity, let's say it's what, 10. Alright, so allow back orders, do not allow. Yes, let's leave that. Do not allow. Low stock threshold, store wild threshold. Okay, low stock threshold 1. Alright. Let's say, okay, so when product stock reaches this amount, you will be notified by email. Then it's possible to define different values for each variation. Individually, the shop default value can be set in certain products inventory. Okay, so this is a good one. So let's go ahead and sold individually. Enable these to only allow one of these items to be bought in a single order. So let's enable that. So someone can actually buy one of these products in when it's sit on an order, okay, a single order. So now let's go over to shipping. So shipping weight should be 5 kg, and dimensions it should be let's say it's what, length, width, and height. It should be, length should be in centimeters, is 10 centimeters or 10, 20 centimeters. No, that's too much for a shoe. Is that even too much? No, that's not too much. So let's say 15 centimeters. The width should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters, and then height should be 4 centimeters. Okay, so shipping class, no shipping class yet. All right, so now linked product, upsells, search for product, please enter 3 or more characters, cross sells, then attribute, custom product attribute, No, we wouldn't add any product attribute notes. So advanced, so purchase notes, menu order, enable reviews. All right. So product short description. This is so let's use the one that we had here. A confidence. Wow. Okay. So let's go ahead and Control V here. Okay, so this is cool. Now let's go ahead and after that, before you hit publish, you would want to check if so it says your store does not appear to be using a secure connection. We highly recommend reserving your entire website over an HTTPS connection. So that shouldn't be a problem because we're using a local server. So now let's go ahead and click on publish and see our shoe if it's published. Holy. Okay, so let me would want to update the media. I mean, like what does let's view the product. Let's view product and see how it looks like. Okay, so imagine we don't have our shoe. Imagine we don't have our shoe in the picture of our shoe has to be here, guys. All right, so let's go back and let's go ahead and update the picture or the photo of our shoe. So the photo of our shoe should be here. Add media. So let's select the photo. Let me see if I still have like the photo here. I think I have it on here. Let me stick this here and get our downloads. And of course, I want to take these. Sorry guys, I'm doing this to secure my data. All right, so here it is. So let's paste everything here. Let's create a new folder and call it what? Pictures, and then I want to paste my pictures here. Those pictures we downloaded in the early stages of this video. So let's go ahead and yeah, so let's click on these photos. Yeah, so this is a nice shoe, guys. I love the ladies' shoes are nice. So here, let's go over here and select files. Oh, we can as well go over here and take our pictures. So we can as well go over here and take our pictures and just take the picture to here. Okay, so these pictures will be very heavy, so I want to assume that you don't want to put a 2 megabyte photo here. So but there are other plugins that can help you to reduce the size of your media in your WordPress site. Okay, so let's insert into product. So but plugins are not very it's not very advisable to use plugins a lot in your WordPress website because they kind of slow it down. They slow your WordPress sites down. So here, let's go over here and update, and let's see product tags. So we can update the tags later. So now let's view this product. And Wow, still not showing. Why is that not showing? Product short description. Oh, okay, this is actually where we're supposed to add media. Supposed to add media here, so let's use this one. Okay, and start. So if you see that this one is 2 megabyte, but let's see this picture is just 103 kilobytes. So you need to have your media is reduced in size if you really want to have a good and a fast loading WordPress website. Okay, so let's go over there and okay, so is that enough? Is that yeah, so I think our product is probably updated, so let's view. Okay, so this is what? This is our description. This is it. This is yeah, so these are the shoes for men that gives any man confidence in his chosen approach. Okay, yeah, so I love the fact that this one is showing now, but I think we should make this one to show also. So it's where do we do that? Yeah, we have it here, on sale, reviews. Okay, permalink. Okay, so paragraph, add media, add products, product gallery, images, add product gallery images. So add images to product gallery. So it's here. Okay, let's try and use this and see if it shows up. Update. And it should be updated. Yeah. Hi. Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks. Take it from here. Hi.
Here's the charger.
Alright. Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow.
Alright, sure. Does it have any password? Sorry. Sandy. Okay, so alright, so we have that here. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and update and see if it comes again. So here, could comfortably do this, and since it is still still loading, so let's go ahead and click on these and refresh and see if our gallery comes in handy. Whoa, still not. Okay, so let's click here and say customize or edit product. Okay, so this can also come in handy because you can most definitely get to your store does not appear to be using a secure connection. So now that's not our concern for now. So product image, so yeah, we need to set the product image, guys. That should be our target. So our product image is supposed to be there, so let's use the shoe. Set product image, and now let's update, and let's go over to our site. This is our Winkle site. So now you can go and view product. Let's view product and see how it looks like. I think it should look better now. Wow, still. Okay. So why is it not giving us a product image, product gallery, reviews? Whoa. Okay, so I think those are all. Self-transparent header, product image. Let's customize again the product. Okay, so now where's our set product image? Let's see, product image. Why is this not? Let's use this one, and our product image should be updated now. Category and categorize. Let's see product. Yeah, so click the image to edit or update. So let's update. So now we can as well view product. So we can view product. And hopefully it should come now. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Wow, this is very awesome. It's an awesome thing, you know. So if you like this, then you can just click on add to cart, and hopefully it should add our product. Yeah, so our product has been added to cart, so you can view your cart, and here you can see shoe for men. Right, so yeah, you can as well increase the quantity and also update cart. All right, so and then now you can click on coupon code and you can apply our coupon code 345 apply. Okay, and that's going to be a good one. So if you proceed to checkout, and this is going to be a good one. Okay, and you say place order. So once you say place order, it's going to ask you to the required fields. For the required fields, so let's say is John Doe. Company name is optional. Okay, so country is South Africa. South Africa. South Africa. And then address is Johannesburg. And apartment is let's say 123 Town City. Johannesburg, and province is what? Where am I? Not in Cape. Nope. I am in Northwest. Oh, Northwest. Yeah. So postcode is what? 2345. Phone is 1234567. Okay, and then email@gmail.com. Okay, additional information, order option. Right, so here you can place order and see that what invalid payment method. Have a coupon, click on that. So where is the payment method again? Where is the payment method? Invalid payment method. Okay, so where is the payment? So it seems that there are no available payment methods for your state. Please contact us if you require assistance or wish to make alternate arrangements. Okay, so assuming we had a assuming we had a lot of options, we have just put it there. But that is that for that, guys. I hope you love this video. So if you love it, please give it a thumbs up, and we shall see it from there. Thank you so much, and enjoy your team.